So you want to learn how to grow in hydroponics. I'm going to teach you how to grow monster tomatoes in Dutch buckets, to grow some amazing sweet peppers in Dutch buckets, RDWC, DWC. We're going to show you how to make cracky totes, grow cracky lettuce, show you how to make DWC totes. Hello everybody, I'm CB and welcome to Hydroponics Done Easy, where our motto is always simple, easy, and cheap as possible. With 30 years experience of growing in hydroponics, I want to share my knowledge with you so you can learn how to grow in hydroponics the easy way. Come join my channel. I'll show you how to build each one of these systems and grow you some amazing plants like you see behind me right here. We're going to put a video out every Thursday, so please hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon so you get notified when we put out the new video. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. Your support means the world to me. And until next time, we'll see you later.